What's good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. We about to make some moves or whatever, run around. Well, I already been running around or whatever, but I went and picked some stuff up. I'm at the shop, about to pull Dolo out right quick and try to run up here and see if they can align this car, man. See if I can get alignment done. Cause I don't know, man. This thing, we got to get that negative front end camber out. Got to get it straightened out, man. It ain't good. So I'm gonna run up here right quick. I'm gonna try to see if they can do it or whatever. Then, like I said, I'm running tight on time, so I look, hey, skin white, but I know what time it is. Running tight on time for real though. So I'm gonna crank this thing, go drive it over there. It's right across town in my hometown, so I'm gonna drive it over there, check it out, and let them see if they can do it. Hopefully they can or whatever. So when I get back, I'll let y'all know what's going on, show y'all what the plan, what I got and what the plans is and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. Alright, got the car out. Let's try to hurry up and get over there. Y'all just stay tuned. I'm trying to get over there before they close. Alright, so I just got back. Smooth ride. Well, smooth as in running wide, but down here, boy, bounce you out the road. Just gotta figure out, man, why I keep don't want to idle. Oh, that's probably why I don't want to idle. That's probably why. Vacuum line off of it. It keeps slipping off. I'm gonna have to put some clamps on it. The vacuum line right here, y'all can't see it, but it's the vacuum line that controls the vents. I had a feeling. I don't say it a vacuum out. It might be why I won't idle. I'm gonna have to crank it back up now and see. But anyway, this is what I got. Well, I picked up 10 gallons of race fuel, man. I thought we were gonna have a dyno session tomorrow, but my people just hit me back and said they loaded tomorrow. See, can we do it another day? So hopefully we still get it in this week, man. That's why I went and got all this stuff. I would have waited, but I got 10 gallons of race fuel, 5 to pour in here. I'm trying to run this 93 out, so you know when we dyno on horsepower, it'll be on race fuel, 112 octane, and I got some to go over there in the 1 gallon for the nitrous. So 112 in the tank, 112 in the fuel cell. But yeah, I got my new pump and a cap too, of course. They don't come with a cap, so I had to buy a cap to go on. But this the difference. Like if you get that kit, and I seen a few of y'all ask for the part number. I put it on the screen right now, the part number. And on the screen right now is the part number to the March kit that I have, the Pulley kit. But it calls for this type of pump. Y'all see, you got threads on it. It's threaded, so you screw a nut on it. So it calls for this type of pump. You put this right here, but that's O-ring. Do it come with it? It don't even come with it. So God, it probably in the March kit. But anyway, yep, this is what it called for, and the brackets are both up in the right spot too, cause the holes be in different spots. So you need a pump and a reservoir. You can go to any parts store and get a pump for like a 70 to 74 Camaro. V8, of course. 350, 305. 70 to 74 Camaro power steering pump is what you need for this pulley setup right here. So, like I said, I got the March, and there's some nice stuff. And somebody in the comments explained the difference in horsepower. It's an underdrive, so appreciate that. Appreciate y'all for that. I'm glad I got some people on here that know some stuff. But yeah, that's what I got. I got the underdrive kit. And the pulley is noticeably smaller too. The water pump pulley, way smaller than the pulley that I had on the engine previously. And it's a lot lighter too. I noticed that all these pulleys are a whole lot lighter. But I tell you what, man, it make your engine look so much better. And what I said, I think Uncle come in here later on and put the power steering on that side, so then it'll be running 2 belts, a little short belt on the back for the power steering pump, run the line in there and all that. I'm finna slide behind the cutlass and see if it got their piece, cause this is what I'm telling y'all about. Right here, the power steering, one of them holes is just a little piece that go in there like a fitting with and you just slide a line on it and put a clamp on it. Then the other side, the pressure line, and you know, it just it's a one-piece line. You can buy that. So yeah. So yeah, we got that. What else we got? Oh, the brake light switch. What I did with it. Right here. Y'all know I had a brake light switch, but they gave me the wrong. Well, it ain't their fault, cause I didn't know which one, man. They got one with cruise control, one without. Now you gotta know all that little stuff. So it ain't their fault. But I got on there, looked at it, and the plug was different. So this the brake light switch right here. I'm about to go ahead and hook that up now. And if you want to know how to put a brake light switch on, this way it's at. I already pulled mine down, but it's right here on the dash. Y'all probably can see it. Take the key out. That buzzer, boy. Did the brake light switch right here though. Right there. Y'all see it? It look the same, it's just white. So there's the brake light switch right there. Then it be pushed up. It just up in there. If you take that cover off right here, if you're in a box Chevy or whatever, cutlass in there, you take this cover off, take them screws out, lay up on here and see the wire, you'll see it. Cause you see how it look, you can't miss it. And it's just two connectors on it. So it's pretty simple. So yeah. I hope I don't know what his plans, cause he trying to fine tune the Monte Carlo over there too. Like I said, he got that one running. He just bounce around, man. That's how he work. He bounces around from car to car. Like he don't just sit on one. He bounce around, try to get everybody out timely manner. Like I said, but he's only one man, so he just bounce around. But he been focusing on the fuel injection car. Like I said, it's running, but he got to fine tune it, and then I guess he gonna come in here and get the MSD stuff on this car, cause he do that pretty quick. So all he got to do to Dolo is put the MSD box on and the Pro billet distributor, you know, time it up again. And we got the new spark plug. So let me show y'all. You look for the spark plug on running. Got shout out my boy Jeff 918 Motorsport. I keep telling y'all, hit him up, man. Prompt delivery 918 Motorsport. This the spark plug number. Let me see. I want to focus. This what I'm gonna run on this motor. This is 6. As far as the temp, this is 6 right here, which means it's a warmer plug. The bigger the number, the colder it get. And I'm running the number 9 since I'm only running the 150 shot right now. So I'm running the number 9 for now. I go up to a 200. I'm probably gonna run a 10. Go up, drop the temperature down to a 10. And what it is, when they talking about a colder plug, it's the electrode. They talking about the electrode and the spark plug. So yeah, that's it. Let me go see if we got that little fitting. And I can screw that in the power steering. It ain't the pump. I don't even know what to call it, the right name. Y'all know I ain't finna call it the wrong thing. But anyway, let's go see if that cutler got the fitting, then we're gonna check back in. Alright, got the brake light switch in. I go in there and show y'all how it look. But I ain't got nobody here with me, so except y'all. So y'all tell me if my brakes working, man. When I hit the brakes, y'all tell me if my brake working, man. Ain't nobody here except me. And I got y'all, so finna set this up. Y'all tell me if my brake light working. See what we got going on. Shit, we a team. I don't care if y'all here watching from home, wherever. Yeah, we a team. Y'all tell me my light working, man. Get this thing straight. We're gonna get it set up in a minute. Alright. What we got, y'all? We got brake lights or not? We got pause light. Well, see, I guess y'all already know it. Time y'all watching whether it got lights or not. I just picked up the camera, so I don't know. Finna check the footage and see though. But let me show y'all how this. Let me show y'all how this brake light switch go in there for real. In case somebody want to do it. Like I said, it's easy, man. It's real easy. But after you drop it down, or when you first look on the hill. Hold on, I'm trying to get y'all straight. You see it up there, right here. Y'all see it? That's how it activate. It right there, you see it? It's a button on the end of it. And you push this in. It's a slide. You'll see a slide on your brake pedal. Let me cut this off. Try to explain it. Come on, compressor. Man. But look. What it is. You see this? That's a button. So when you put it in there like this, when you push it through the hole on the brake pedal, you push it all the way through, these grooves will catch it. You press it through till it stop, and what it do is press that button in. So when the brake pedal up, it pressing that button in like that. So when you press the pedal, when you press the brake pedal, that button pop out and it's supposed to activate your brake lights. So that's how brake light switch work. But I'm finna look at that footage and see if we got some brake lights. So y'all stay tuned. Man, I just looked at the footage. I don't know how it look on camera, but when I was looking at it, it looked like it wasn't nothing going on, but the lights are on. You gotta look real, it's the glare, but the lights on, man. I don't know if the brake light working or not, but the lights on. They ain't just that bulb blow right there. That one blow. Oh, it be on now, it's probably done. So I gotta change that. I'm about to change this though. I got them bulbs right there, that side marker light over here blow, so I'm about to go ahead and change that. Now stay tuned. Alright, we checking in. Check out the phone with Unc. Said he gonna come through later tonight. Throw the MLB stuff on and all that. Get this thing ready. I went out there and checked the cutlass. It got the fitting in it, so we're good right there. Fire this thing up, man. See what this. Hold on. It's not fire this thing up. Cause the vacuum still off. Let's hook the vacuum up. Let's hook the vacuum up first. Then we're gonna fire it up. See what it idle like. So stay tuned. Alright. Got the vacuum hooked up. Let's see what this thing gonna do now, y'all. Still don't want to idle. Trying to see where it go down to, y'all. My battery going dead, y'all. Talking about the battery dead too. I know that the battery was dead when the tack jumped around and I ain't even got my jump box. Golly, put an end to that. Them fans, man, I drove it on yesterday's vlog when y'all saw me drive it. I went up the road and all that. The alternator went plugged up and them fans pull a lot of current. The alternator wasn't charging at all, man. It probably didn't take long. So y'all probably like, why kill the battery so fast? But these fans, man, you let them run with no alternator, boy, it's on. And this bad boy is dead. I just hooked it wild right before I left to go check for alignment. So, man, I ain't got the jump box, can't crank it up. I guess I'm gonna have to hit Uncle up and let him know that the battery is done. So yeah, man, it wasn't too much going on today. I just really want to show y'all that brake light switch, in case somebody didn't know how to do it. Woo, let me cut this thing down. Hold on. We too bright, man. We are too bright. We ain't trying to go to the gates them early, man. We want to go to the gates, but not that early. Not yet. So now we back normal. Okay, we back on earth. So now, yeah, like I was saying, got some more gas for us, so we got racing gas now. I hope we can get this dyno session tomorrow, man. Well, not tomorrow, this week, I mean. Hope we can get this dyno session this week and see what this thing do, man, cause it's straight. It's straight other than, like I said, the idle. Other than the idle, it's straight. Which it might be a vacuum leak somewhere or something, cause soon as you put it in the gear, it cut off. I don't know why. But yeah, soon as we get that idle straight, I mean, it's in there. But the throttle response, it crisp and everything, the power there. It feel good. It clean the plugs up. When we get the new plugs in, probably gonna let it run it down the road, pull one, see what it burning like, and see where we at, man. See, on the dyno, the plan is running on motor 2 times, 1 conservative time, 1 with some real timing in it, and then we're gonna shoot it with the nitrous 150 shot. So yep, that's the plan. And that's what we got going on. So like I said, distributor going on tonight, MSD box. Those are the last pieces under the hood that I could think of. Probably next time y'all see it too in the power steering pump, cause Unc coming here at night, he'll get to it. And it ain't much for him to do to knock this out. So next time y'all see it, man, we'll probably have the power steering on it. Won't be all that hard turning and all that stuff. And yeah, all this front will be complete. We have a nice looking engine, all that good stuff. So yep, that's it. That's it for today. Not the most exciting video, but it's something, you know, give y'all something to watch. So I appreciate everybody that be tuning in and watching every day. I catch